Kf factor USP 921. The factor is used to declare the capacity of the Kf reagent. This is a measure of water equivalent for each ml of the Kf reagent. Since the Kf reagent is very sensitive, it is necessary to check every day for its factor because it is likely to change. Let us see the standardization part. So reagents required for Kf factor is Kf reagent, dried methanol, disodium tartrate dihydrate DST, drying agents example molecular sieves or silica gel if necessary. Disodium tartrate dihydrate is used for the standardization of Kf reagent. You can also use purified water for standardization of Kf reagent. Disodium tartrate dihydrate DST has a constant water content of 15.66%. Molecular formula of DST is Na2C4H4O6 into 2S2O. Molecular weight is 23 into 2 plus 12 into 4 plus 4 into 1 plus 6 into 16 plus 2 into 18 is equal to 230. The molecular weight of DST is 230. DST has 2 molecules of water, that is 2 into 18 is equal to 36. So calculation is percentage water in DST is 36 divided by 230 into 100 is equal to 15.66%. Now let's move on to procedure part. Fill the Kf titration vessel with dried methanol so that the active part of the electrode dips well. Approximately 40 to 50 ml of methanol is sufficient. Condition the titration vessel with the Kf reagent to ensure no residual moisture is present. Now weigh approximately 150 mg of DST on an analytical balance. Carefully transfer the weighed DST to the titration vessel. Start the titration process immediately after transferring DST to avoid moisture absorption from the atmosphere. The titration will proceed until the end point is reached. The instrument has an inbuilt calculation, so you will get the Kf factor value directly, but you need to know the calculation. Now let's move on to calculation part. We know that disodium tartrate dihydrate has a known water content of 15.66% weight by weight. Calculate the amount of water in the weighed DST. This is the formula for Kf factor. Kf factor mg per ml is equal to 0.1566 into weight of DST in milligrams divided by volume of Kf reagent in ml. Here 0.1566 is the factor for DST. Repeat the titration at least 3 times to ensure accuracy. Take a note here that percentage RSD of triplicate factor value, that is Kf factor value, should not be more than 1%. And also the Kf factor limit should be between 4.5 mg per ml to 6.5 mg per ml. Now let us understand with the help of the example how to determine the Kf factor. Weight of DST taken is equal to 150 mg. Volume of Kf reagent consumed for titration is equal to 4.7 ml. So according to formula, Kf factor mg per ml is equal to 0.1566 into weight of DST in mg divided by volume of Kf reagent in ml. So by putting the values 0.1566 into 150 divided by 4.7, we get 4.998 mg per ml. So Kf factor is equal to 4.998 mg per ml. Means each ml of Kf reagent will utilize 4.998 mg of water. Now let us see the example to calculate water content in sample using Kf factor. Kf factor is equal to 4.998 mg per ml given. Let us assume Kf reagent consumed for a sample of 1 gram, that is 1000 mg, is equal to 5.0 ml. This is the formula to find out water content. water content is equal to volume of Kf reagent in ml into Kf factor mg per ml into 100 divided by weight of sample in mg. So by putting the values, volume of Kf reagent in ml is 5 into Kf factor in mg per ml is 4.998 into 100 divided by weight of sample in mg is 1000. So by calculating we get 2.50%. Thus 1 gram of sample has a water content of 2.5%. Let us see some common question answers on Kf. What is the USP general chapter for Kf? USP general chapter for Kf water determination is 9 to 1. Next question. Why DST is used for Kf factor? So answer is DST is used as primary standard for Kf determination as it is stable and non-hygroscopic under normal conditions. It has 15.66% water molecules, so we can easily calculate and standardize Kf reagent. Next question. What are the contents of Kf reagent? The content of Kf reagents are sulfur dioxide, iodine, pyridine or imidazole, and methanol. Previously, pyridine is used for preparation of Kf reagent, but later it was found that it is carcinogenic, it is toxic to humans. So, pyridine is replaced by imidazole as a base. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe